What's up, my fellow auto enthusiasts? Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into Honda's first serious foray into the all-electric SUV market, the 2024 Prologue. This bold new offering from the Japanese automaker is set to shake up the EV game, and we've got all the juicy details for you. The 2024 Prologue SUV marks a significant departure from Honda's ill-fated previous attempts at EVs like the Clarity sedan and the Fit EV. This time around, they've gone all in, collaborating with General Motors to develop a dedicated EV platform and utilizing GM's cutting-edge Ultium battery technology. But make no mistake, the Prologue is every inch a Honda, with a restrained yet sophisticated design that doesn't scream, "Look at me, I'm electric." Under the sleek bodywork, you'll find two powertrain options to choose from. The standard setup is a single-motor, front-wheel drive configuration that churns out a respectable 212 horsepower. But for those craving a bit more oomph, Honda offers a dual-motor, all-wheel drive variant that bumps the combined output to an impressive 288 horsepower and 333 lb-ft of torque. Now, while the Prologue isn't designed to be a neck-snapping performance machine, it's no slouch either. We estimate the top-spec dual-motor version will hit 60 miles per hour in a brisk 6.1 seconds, which should satisfy most buyers' need for speed. But let's be real, range anxiety is one of the biggest hurdles for EV adoption, and Honda seems to have nailed it with the Prologue. Thanks to its 85.0 kWh battery pack, the front-wheel drive model boasts an EPA estimated range of up to 296 miles on a single charge. Even the all-wheel drive variants offer a respectable range of to 73281 miles, depending on the trim level. And when it's time to juice up, the Prologue can accept DC fast charging at a max rate of 155 kilowatts, allowing you to top up those electrons in a jiffy. Step inside the Prologue, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's quintessentially Honda, but with a modern twist. The simplified dashboard design and clutter-free center console create a sense of spaciousness, while the upright 1.3-inch infotainment touchscreen takes center stage. And trust us, this isn't just any ordinary infotainment system, it's packing some serious tech, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an in-dash navigation system powered by Google Maps, and even a 12-speaker Bose premium audio system on higher trims. When it comes to safety, Honda has your back with their Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance features, which comes standard across the Prologue lineup. This comprehensive package includes goodies like automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. And for those who want even more peace of mind, higher trims offer additional safety tech like a head-up display and traffic sign recognition. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2024 Honda Prologue starts at $48,795 for the base EX trim, which is already pretty well equipped with features like heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and wireless smartphone charging. But if you want to step up your game, the Touring trim at $53,095 or $56,095 for the AWD version adds niceties like leather upholstery, a Bose sound system, and memory seat settings. And for those who crave the ultimate in luxury, the range-topping Elite trim commands $59,295 but comes loaded with all the bells and whistles you could want. So, there you have it, folks, the 2024 Honda Prologue, a bold and ambitious entry into the highly competitive EV SUV segment. With its impressive range, solid performance, and Honda's renowned reliability and quality, this could very well be the game-changer the brand needs to establish itself as a serious player in the electric vehicle market. But we want to hear your thoughts. Do you think the Prologue has what it takes to compete against the likes of the Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia EV6, and other established players? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews and automotive shenanigans from your friends at Crazy Auto Premiere.